Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to blur your backgrounds in Adobe Lightroom. So now open your Lightroom and import your picture that you want to blur its background and follow these steps. Now I'm going to start with the brush tool and only apply this. So I'm going to apply this mask here, and now I have all the picture selected, but I want to isolate my object or subject here. So basically I'm just going to click on Alt and have make sure that you have your brush in the erase mode, and make sure that the flow isn't that max so you can't change like the other settings or the other outline, and also change the size of the brush so you can have only brushing or touching like your subject. So basically I'm just going to isolate my subject and make sure that you are like that you are perfect, or just be precise. Here I'm in this example I'm going to be like a little bit random, so I'm just going to show you how to do things, and I'm going to outline the whole subject, which is this girl in the image. So now I'm going to resize with the scroll of my mouse, scrolling here the size of the brush. So I'm going to take out this line here and also here, and now I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. So as you can see, I kind of take the whole mask here. So basically now the only area that will get affected with the blur or our adjustments will be only this mask or uh, the colored area. So basically now we want to go to these effects. So we have our mask here. I know that it is not perfect, but make sure that you make it like be precise and have only uncolorized or only isolate your subject. So now here I'm going to be interested only in the texture and the clarity, so I'm just going to decrease them. Also you can start like playing with the dehaze, so you will have a good effect of blur. So now I'm just as you can see, and that's it. So basically my image is a bit darker because my exposure was like this was at the end, so it should be at 0. The exposure, make sure that it is 0, so it will the image will stay neutral. Also don't touch like the hue, so the colors doesn't change, doesn't change. And now you will just start playing with your dehaze and texture. So basically just decrease the texture, and the clarity you can either just decrease it like this to have like more clear background. Also you can start playing with dehaze until you have like a desired effect. Also you can just have some uh, other things like the sharpness of the colors, or you can play with other option like the contrast, so you have like a background that will be exactly like near to the original one in terms of colors, etc. So basically this is how you can background easily you can blur your background in Adobe Lightroom. Thank you for watching and goodbye.